Hilton Falls is another favorite among locals, featuring a picturesque waterfall and a fire pit. Calso Conservation offers a lovely beach and a warm water for swimming in the spring and summer. Milton has plenty of outdoor activities to enjoy year-round. Residents can hike, bike, and engage in various outdoor recreations throughout the year. There are also several golf courses such as Trafalgar Golf Course and Country Club and Halton Country Golf Club. Additionally, Glen Eden provides opportunities for skiing and snowboarding along with lessons through their snow school. When it comes to outdoor play, Milton has you covered because really, where else can you find a ski hill and a beach within 15 minutes from your front door?